Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. This is the chart, the monthly chart of Bitcoin I made on 23rd August, right? And according to my Elliott wave count, this is wave one, two, and we probably finished wave three. If we really finish wave three, this is like official calculation. The target for wave three usually is 161 or sometimes even 178. So that's what we went up there and touched that 178, sorry, right? And then from there on, we're kind of like dropping now, right? So if this is wave three, then we need wave four, which you need to be 38% of wave three. So let me see if we can. This is wave three starting, this is wave three ending, and 38% is 82,806. So let's say 83. So this is where it need to be coming down in three waves, A, B, C fashion, around 83, 85, maybe something like that, right? So let's take a look at the weekly chart, and that is the weekly chart that I also made at that time. This is the one that, so if this is wave three ending, we need to be coming down for wave four in this area, right? So, an 83, you can see that this probably is becoming down somewhere here. So it's probably like the A, B, C, something like that. So this A, B, C here, that's wave two, something like that. So wave three, four, five, right? And then this is these are the subwaves of wave three. Then wave four need to be just like that, maybe sideways. So like A, B, C, flat sideways, flat correction. So let's see what happened. And so far, this chart dropped this one, and then weekly chart, you can see here that we started to drop here, and nice and clean. We are sitting at this number right now, 108,352. You can see here that we are at 108,746. So we hit 352 probably. The lowest we had 107,350 actually, right? 107,350, and then kind of like pull back a little bit, and then we are just sitting just above this number here, right? So when the market opens up, if my count is right, and if we have finished this wave five here off wave three, then we need to come down A, B, C fashion for wave four. So we're dropping in wave four, right? So that's one thing. The second is that if I'm looking at the daily chart, this formation here, the ending formation of wave five here, the blue count, right, or black count wave three, this is bothering me right now here. So this, if I pull the fib from here to here, you can see that we are sitting at 61% right now, right? So this is a reversal zone basically between 61 and 78, right? Price like 80% of the time retrace into this area and then bounce, right? That happens like more than 80% of the time, 80, 85%. So a very good chance that we bounce from here for wave two. If this is the end of wave three and we're dropping here for wave four, so this could be wave A or one of wave one, two, three, four, five, whatever, right? So if this is wave one, then we need to go up for wave two. Is if the wave one is finished, it may go down to 78% and then bounce for wave two. So that would be like wave one and 61% of retracement of wave two, wave one as wave two, and then we will drop for wave three, and then four, and then five. That would be wave A of wave four, the black count of this wave four. So kind of like wave one, two here, then three, and then four, and then five. That would be wave A, and then we will go back up for wave B, and then wave C. That will be wave four of this wave count, the black count. Wave one, two, three, and big wave four. Now, uh, that's one thing. And then look at this diagram that I want to show you. So this is something called expanded flat. Usually in wave four, this is what happened, right? So after ending wave three, then the A, B, C. Now the characteristic of flat is expanded flat is that the B is a little bit higher than the last high, and then C is a little bit lower than the last low. It is expanding, right? So if you look at this here, that if we can count this, this is A, B, C. So this is A. Now B is going above, a little bit above the last high, and then C is coming a little bit below wave A, right? Then it is a flat. And this could be like wave 1, then ABC 2. This is 3, ABC 4, flat correction, expanded flat correction, then wave 5, even more to the high side. If you go back to look at the weekly chart, now you see that if we bounce from here, this one is a flat, then we need to bounce and go back up here. And this is the area that you see the extension of this is 127. And actually, we went a little bit above to the next level of 144 and then drop. But we can bounce from here and then go back to 161 extension level. So these are the two main extension level, or we can say the zone in between them. 127 and 161, where the turn usually happens. So can we go to 161? Definitely. Not definitely, but possible, right? The possibility is definitely there. This to go there. Now, if expansion of this wave 3, if I measure that, then the 100% is coming just above this 1.618 as well into this zone here that I have a couple of lines. It is a channel, right? If you connect these two lows here and then place the parallel here to these highs, see, this is a channel, so we can easily go here and hit this area. 161, 100, and so then wave 3 will be finished completely. So if wave 3 is already finished, then we are dropping, and I like this count. The first scenario is this, that we are dropping. We're supposed to be dropping. I made the chart last week that we're going to drop right here, right? So far we are already here, right? Not much of a drop, but yes, we did drop. And we're sitting here, and then when next week will open, then probably we're going to drop and then come down maybe to this TL before we bounce or whatever, right? But right now, yeah, so these are the two scenarios that I have. The first scenario which I like is that we're coming down already. Wave 3 is finished already, and we're going to be falling into wave 4, which is, by the way, a very typical and very nasty wave, right? So be careful. A lot of ranging can happen in this wave 4. Right, and whatever you make here and here can easily get wiped out in wave 4. So be very careful. People make a lot of money in wave 3 and wave 1 and then all of that, but then they end up losing in wave 4, all of it, and some more. So be very careful, right? So that's why I'm, spending a lot of time here just pinpointing that what the heck is happening exactly. So this is wave 4, 61% is there. If we start to bounce, let's say if this wave 3 is finished here and we're supposed to go down, and that way we will still have like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if wave 1 is finished here, or maybe 61%, and then we will go up for wave 2 anyway, right? So let's say from here to here, and then 61% or 78% of this drop. Now we can go there, right? For wave 2, followed by wave 3, 4, 5. So next step from here, that we need to go up if this count is good. Now, if this count is not good and wave 3 has not finished yet, and this could be like wave 1, 2, 3, and this is only wave 4, then we need to go above this for wave 5. In that scenario, if this wave 4 as an expanded flat is finished, then we need to go up for wave 1, then followed by wave 2, and then 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So either way, this is the area that we need to be going to the upside if wave 3 is finished or not finished. If it is finished, we need to go up for wave 2, followed by wave 3 to the downside. If it is not finished, we need to go up for wave 1, then followed by wave 2 and 3 to the upside. Got it? So either way, this is the area to bounce and go here. So I would say that if we bounce from 61%, usually we go back to 23% line, which is somewhere here, right? You can, or 61% of this drop. So let's say if I exactly here, then the 61% is right there. And somewhere there is going to be 23% line of discount as well. So from there, it may drop after that. And this one probably into this congestion area here. So we can go back there. And if it is going to be wave 1, then again, we're going to go there, maybe here 61% or 78%, or maybe to this high, as wave one, and then drop for wave two to 61%, and then go up again for wave three, four, five to the upside. Then we will finish this with five somewhere here. All right, so these two scenarios, but my first choice is if we continue dropping to the downside, the wave A, then B, and then C sideways, and then go for wave five after finishing this wave four. All right, so this is it for now. My 40-minute chart here, that this is what I'm looking at, that, this wave three, four, five, ending up with wave three, black count, and this could be wave one, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or something like that. It's not very clear. And you can see that extension of this is 127 we already hit. So either here or may drop to 61% there, and then that would be like either wave A of a correction of wave four, or it's going to be wave one, or this is going to be wave C of the wave four, and then we go up for wave. So either way, somewhere here, we're going to go up here. Then we will see that, what the heck will happen, right? Pointing out the numbers way before ahead of time is not, that maybe not, right? So that's why I always look both scenarios, right? Up or down. Elliott wave count is very subjective, right? So and all depend on the fundies, by the way, right? So technical don't move the market. The market is moved by the fundies, and whatever fundies are positive go up, negative go down, something like that. So we will wait for fundies to come in, and then, but at least our roadmap should be ready. This technical analysis is just like a roadmap. Which road is going where? Which road we are supposed to take to go from point A to point B, right? So if you know all of that, yeah, you can deliver the pizza right on time at the right address, right? So this is how it is. And so this is it for now. This is Bitcoin is under control, but the thing is that you have to be aware of the possible turn, and where the heck it is going. And then you make the entry. I have my entry chart is this one. So if it is going to go to the upside, it's going to go, rise here. Give me the entry somewhere here, and then I'll take it. Let me show you how that happens usually. For example, here, it was bearish here, boom, boom, and then long entry, and then long entry, and then went up. So it didn't go much higher, right? So when it makes the turn, this is how it makes the turn. For example, this was bullish, and this is a turn. First entry, second entry, third entry, and then sideways a little bit, and then entry, all the way down. And then I have another chart in between on the other computer. According to that, this is also entry, and you can take the entries from 40 here as well. So this one is the beautiful entry here, and this is the entry here, right? So this is it for now. Let's see. I still have to make a couple of videos. Man, a lot of videos I have to make. Anyway, so I'll be making the next video in a short while. Until then, have a very good weekend. Enjoy, and don't forget to sign up. Subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos on time. By the way, take advantage of that 60% off that I have across the board on my website for everything. All right, and also don't forget to. Let me remind you actually of that we have added the affiliate button there, right, for my website, so you can become an affiliate and start making money. And just like everybody else, the affiliate, it's very it's simple and easy money. Just get your link and promote the link on your social media or whatever, or website and whatever you have, and anything anybody you send to my website, you get the commission on that. All right, and that would be from 25 to 30%, depending where if you are my subscriber or not. So anyway, this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.